All right, y'all, we're back with another ThredUp unboxing. Today I have for you the DIY designer box. I haven't gotten one in a while, so I thought it would be fun to do a collaboration with my friends to see who got the better box. So many of us resellers are becoming disillusioned with ThredUp mystery boxes. The quality's gone downhill, the prices have gone up, and you're just not getting as much bang for your buck. One box that I still consider my girlfriend is the DIY designer box. It has been the one box that I have consistently made a great profit on, so I went ahead and bought another one, told my friends about it, and guess what? We're going to do a collaboration. 3 of my reseller friends. First, Alicia over at Murray Life, Jesse over at Gorgeous, and our friend Wendy, Reseller Wendy here on YouTube, are going to all open up our DIY designer boxes. We ordered them at the same time, and we're going to see what did we get. I'm really hoping that this box is not a giant old dud because I may officially be broke up with ThredUp after this box. If it is crappy and they've raised this price to $120 for 7 items, which if you're doing the math means that each of these items is now $17, they better be good. In the past, I've gotten some great pieces in my DIY designer boxes that have paid for the box and given me a nice profit. And then the others were just extra. I did already open up my box because I have no patience. So if you don't know what a ThredUp mystery box is, ThredUp is the largest online consignment store. You can send old items in your closet that you no longer wear to them. They will photograph them and store them and sell them for you and give you a percentage. They do offer these mystery boxes on their site for items that have not sold or that they did not list because of quality. And they have all different kinds. They have jean boxes, mixed clothing boxes, fun boxes, shoe boxes. My last shoe box was terrible. And they do have some luxury or mid-tier boxes. This one is the DIY designer box, which means they're designer items that could have flaws, but they're supposed to be high-end designer luxury items. So let's see what I got. This first item, ThredUp does a collaboration with Rent the Runway, and they have Rent the Runway boxes. That's a website where you can rent items that are designer and wear them and then send them back for some sort of fee. But they do a collaboration now with ThredUp where they send ThredUp their old items that they're no longer renting, and they do put them in these boxes. A lot of them have damage because they have been worn a lot. So this first item is a dress. It's a really pretty floral wrap dress. And I'll pop up a picture of the stock photo so you can see it. But it is Badgley Mishka, and it's a great size 18. So when I saw plus size in designer, I was like, okay, this is cool. Now there is a little bit of pulling right here where you can see sort of the threading on where the wrap happens in the front of the dress. And then also, after further inspection, in the inside of the dress, it looks like whoever wore this to whatever occasion spilled something. I'm not sure if it's wine or coffee or what, but you can see it here. So I am going to try to get that out because I think that I can turn a nice profit on this dress if I can get it out. There are none listed on Poshmark. So I'm just going to put up down here what I estimate I'm going to get for each of these items based on comps or on my own knowledge of these items. So next up is going to be a theme in this box, and it is, you see the Novacek there, it is Burberry London, and it's a little V-neck sweater. It does have the Burberry logo right there also. It's a really pretty magenta color. No pilling on the sweater. No damage that I can see. It's a size small, and it is 100% cotton. So, yeah, Burberry sells really well. Even if it's a basic item, Burberry does well. So I was happy to see that. These I'm not so sure about. These are On first inspection, just look like some little striped shorts, but on the back, you can see the Nova check there. It is Burberry. And here are the Burberry tags on the interior. It is a size US 8. And there's not a lot of shorts for sale on Poshmark. There's none in this style. They do have some that are all Nova check, which I would think would sell for more, but people still like Burberry, so they'll buy it no matter what. And they're in good condition. They're just shorts. That's probably the worst item I got in this box. So that tells you something. Next up, I was really excited to see these. A lot of times in these designer boxes, the items that get sent in tend to be dated items. A lot of the shoes really are dated. Sometimes the handbags are really dated. But I saw these slides and I was like, yes, because, you know, slides are very on trend. Everybody's wearing slides. And I don't know if you can make it out, but it does say Jimmy Choo. And after looking these up, these are men's slides, which I love to sell men's designer. I find that a lot of men buyers do not lowball, and they will often pay full price for items. And these Jimmy Choo slides, I'm going to put the comps up, but I think I'm going to make a nice penny on these. So if you're keeping count, we're halfway through the box. The next pair of shoes that I got were these Chloe flats. These are the scalloped leather flats. They're one of Chloe's basic shoes, but they do resell for about $100. So I'm going to put comps up down here. These are in great condition. They do have some wear on the bottom, but not too bad. And the leather looks great. So I'm just going to put a little bit of leather conditioner on it, and I should be able to make a nice profit on these also. Okay, next item is a scarf, and it just looks like a basic silk scarf. But if you look right here, it is Burberry. And a good way to, by the way, if you find scarves, a good way to know that it's good quality is this rolled hem here. I don't know if you can see it, but that usually is the basic designer hem, how scarves are. But it does still have the Burberry tags on it too, which is great, because a lot of times these tags are missing. So it is 100% silk scarf. And again, I will pop up the comps for this here too. Okay, last item in this box were these wool Houndstooth jogger pants, and they are Alexander McQueen, the McQ line. So I thought these were women's at first, but I actually think they might be men's. Alexander McQueen did make some women's joggers that are similar to this, but these look a lot like the men's joggers, and they do have deep pockets, which usually is an indication of men's pants. So I really think they might be men's, but great pair of pants. Again, I really like selling men's designer, so no shame in that. So overall, I am stoked about this box. Almost as stoked as the time I got a vintage Gucci purse in my designer box, which I decided to keep. But again, I got these wool trousers by Alexander McQueen. I got these Chloe flats, the men's Jimmy Choo slides. And by the way, besides the one dress, I did not see any damage on these items. So that's a bonus, because there's no repairs, there's no disclosure. They are just straight up great products. Here is the Burberry scarf, the Burberry shorts, the Burberry sweater, this little pink sweater, and the plus size Badgley Mishka dress. So I definitely think I'm going to turn a profit on this box. Woo! This may be the best ThredUp designer box I've ever gotten. I've gotten some higher end items in some of my other boxes, but there was usually only one piece. And a lot of the other items were DIY, just like the box is called. So they were highly damaged and needed work, but these don't. So with the exception of the one dress. So I am really happy. You guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we are 25 subscribers away from 1,000. We would love to have you here. We have tons of fun content, unboxings, reseller videos, what's sold, but also lots of other fun things. So if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up on the way out, and make sure you go see my friends' videos, Wendy over at Reseller Wendy, Jess over at Gorgeous, and Alicia over at Murray Life. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.